In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a DFAS 1099-R form in TurboTax. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign in to your TurboTax account. Once you're logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so everything appears correctly. It's always a good idea to have your DFAS 1099-R form nearby before you begin, since you'll be entering information directly from that document. Working with the form in front of you can help you avoid simple typing mistakes and make the process much smoother. After you're inside TurboTax, look for the Income and Expenses section. This is where TurboTax organizes the different types of income you may need to report on your tax return. Go ahead and open that section so you can access the retirement income area. If the page looks busy, don't worry. TurboTax groups topics into categories, and you'll be heading to the one related to retirement distributions. Next, find retirement plans and Social Security, and then choose IRA 401k. Pension plans, which is where 1099-R forms are entered. This section is specifically designed for retirement income documents, including pension payments and military-related retirement distributions. Since your form was issued by DFAS, this is the correct place to enter that information. Once you're in the 1099-R area, begin entering the details exactly as they appear on your DFAS form. Take your time here and carefully copy each field from the document into TurboTax. Accuracy matters because even a small error in numbers, withholding amounts, or distribution codes can affect how your return is calculated. If TurboTax asks follow-up questions after you enter the form, continue answering them based on the information shown on your 1099-R and your personal tax situation. As you work through the entry, double-check each number before moving forward. Pay special attention to the payer information, the gross distribution, the taxable amount if it's listed, and any federal tax withheld. These figures are important for making sure your retirement income is reported properly. If something doesn't seem to match your form, pause and review it before continuing rather than guessing. When you finish entering the DFAS 1099-R details, review the